All right, for today's video, I am going to show you how to easily create fill-in-the-blank notes for students, which can be really helpful if you have students who need accommodated notes. So first of all, you need your passage or reading material the students are going to be using to take notes. I have here an article about frogs versus toads, just as an example. So I already went ahead and I copied the segment of text that I want to use to have the students take notes. And then again, it's always all about the prompt when you use ChatGPT. So the prompt that I'm going to use is create fill in the blank notes with 2 blanks per line, 150 words long for this article. Now, the reason I'm specifying 2 blanks per line is because I found that if I didn't specify how many I wanted, it wouldn't give me enough blanks. I want to make sure that the students are really engaging with the text, and so I need at least 2 blanks per line. And even then, it may not spit out quite enough blanks for me, but that's okay. 150 words long means that it will summarize the text instead of just spitting out the word for word text. And in fact, for this one, since it is a shorter text, we could even go to 100. So again, we want to keep in mind that this is called notes. We don't want it regenerating the entire article. So the shorter you make the notes, the more it will summarize the content for you, if that makes sense. So then after I have my prompt, I hold down Control V to paste in my article. It looks like a mess, but don't worry, the computer can clean up that mess for us when we hit enter. So now the bot is generating my notes. There we go. It's giving us our blanks. And again, like I said, sometimes it still doesn't give me enough blanks, but at least what's nice about it is it's summarizing it in 100 words. So what I'm going to do now is, of course, I'm going to copy it. I can put it onto a document, and now I can go ahead and add in more blanks if I really want. You could also say, you could prompt it to add more blanks for you. You could say regenerate and add more blanks. And it should do just that. There we go. So now you can see there are even more blanks. And as always, keep playing with it until it looks the way you want. It's still a lot less cumbersome than you typing all of this in and adding the blanks. Even, you wouldn't be able to copy and paste and add the blanks because this is a summarized version since we got it down to 100 words. So again, I can copy that, I can paste it, and I can distribute it to students to make sure that we are complying with their IEP and they're getting their accommodated notes. Pretty slick.